how to fix TikTok no network connection problem. So if you want to fix TikTok no network connection problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and from the search, you need to search for TikTok. After searching, if you have any updates on your TikTok, then you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go back and find a TikTok application. Or if you don't find it, you can search for it. Tap and hold on to your TikTok, go with the app info. After that, scroll down, go with storage and cache. And from here, you need to go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. The next thing you need to do is just go back and then go with permissions and make sure that you allow the permissions like the basic permissions like camera, allow while using the application, and the microphone, and the photos and videos. And this might fix your problem. You can go and restart your application and it will fix your issue. But make sure you're using a stable Wi-Fi connection, because the main thing is the Wi-Fi connection or the mobile data connection. If you don't have your mobile data, you can switch to Wi-Fi, or if you don't have your Wi-Fi, you can switch to your mobile data. Make sure that you have a stable network connection and it will fix your issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.